So to start this off, what we're going to do is we're going to put a glove on because nasty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here butter and I'm going to grease this baking dish, just because this stuff will get sticky and it won't come out. Since I already have the glove on and I don't want to get all the sugary stuff all over my hands, I'll just keep using the glove to break up my donuts. Well, okay, fine. I went out first thing this morning, and this is the collection I found in the day-old donuts at the grocery store. Normally, when you make bread pudding, you would put sugar in with your bread, or in with your custard. But since these things are just coated in sugar, we're not going to do that part. These last two have just sugar on them, so I'm going to let them kind of stand up. So now we're going to crack in 4 eggs into our blender. That's a 1. That's a 2. No, I'm not going to use the one-handed method. That's a 3. That's a 4. Then, I'm going to add just a splash of vanilla. There we go. And the moo. Let that churn for just a minute. Most people would have this mixing up with their mixer and all that stuff. Just throw it all in the blender. All right. That's done. So add this now to our Mound O donuts. Try to get as much wet as you can. All right, there's that. This was some melted butter. It's kind of turned hard while I was sitting here waiting. So I'm just going to scrape it out with my finger and dollop it in. Alrighty. So then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. So through the magic of video, we'll be right back. Y'all hang in there. You.
What is that?
That is what we just got done baking.
Man, that looks pretty good.
That is, I was almost said banana pudding again.
Something with donuts in it.
That is stale donut pudding.
I don't think I want any of that. Steak.
Yes, you do. Trust me, you do. So here we go. I'm going to let my brother here try this. Oh. I highly recommend the crispy parts on top. They're tasty. Take a smell of that before you do. What do you think?
It smells like custard.
And it smells like egg custard?
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to do.
It's not very sweet.
No?
Tastes like egg custard, though.
Mm-hmm.
You get a crunchy piece.
Normally when I make bread pudding, I put sugar in it, but I figured since this already had sugar all over the donuts, I didn't do it. Careful, don't get the beard in the bowl.
It's my candy.
That's all right.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not real sweet. It surprised me.
Yeah?
I thought it was gonna be sweet. Yeah.
Wait.
Y'all have to wait and get your own later.
Yeah. So anyway,
You can try it.
I don't have another spoon. I'll try it later. No. So anyway, that's been the stale donut pudding. And this has been another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please click on my little face over here. And like and subscribe and all the other hoo-ha. And we'll see you next time.
It's really good.
Bye.
See ya.